Hi, this is Carlos Cousins, and the following additional topics in mathematics question is asking you to figure out which of the following variables is the greatest. Well, we can figure out the value of a couple of these easily. For example, A is a vertical angle to 60 degrees, so it must be equal to 60 degrees. And we know that 70 is supplementary with e degrees, so 70 plus e has to equal 180, so e is going to be 180 minus 70, right? So e is going to have to equal 110, so that 110 plus 70 gives you 180, and they're supplementary. And 60 is supplementary with b, which is one of the options we're considering. So b plus 60 has to equal 180. So b is going to equal 180 minus 60, or 120 degrees, because 120 plus 60 gives you 180. Awesome. And to figure out what the value of d is, we want to first figure out what the value of c is. And c is going to be the same as 70 plus 60, 180 minus 70 plus 60, because all the angles inside a triangle, and you see it, we've got an inner triangle sort of in this figure, have to add up to 180 degrees. So 60 degrees plus 70 degrees plus c degrees has to equal 180 degrees, which means that 130 degrees plus c degrees has to equal 180 degrees. And we can just subtract 130 from both sides, and c is going to give you 50 degrees. Which means that by definition, d will have to be 130, because 130 plus 50, 130 plus c is what gives you 180, and we know that d and c are supplementary, so they added up together must give you 180. So we basically killed two birds with one stone here. C equals 50 degrees, and d equals 130 degrees. And I believe that's all the variables we could solve for. So the greatest one from among these is D. It is greater than B, which is 120, then A, which is 60, and then E, which is only 110. I hope that helped this problem, and happy prepping.